morning students, we are continuing exercise 4.3 and question number first we have done. Now question number second, give the equation of two line passing through 214. How many more such lines are there and why? So in this question we have 2 points are given for the value of x 2 and for the value of y 14 is there. Okay, so we have to find the equations which satisfies this solution. So there is the 2 in the place of x and y is in the place of 14. So you can take many line as you want such that it satisfy the following solution. So there is the 2 now. So for 14 we have to multiply, there is 7, so 7 into x, I taken 7x minus 14 equal to 0. Is it the equation which satisfy the value of x or y? For this, if we put the value of x, y there, then there will be 2 into x, that means 7 into x, that means 7 into 2 minus 14. 14 minus 14 equal to 0. That means it satisfy the LHS and RHS for the value 2 and 14. Okay, so this is the first equation, because we have to give the equation of two lines. So first equation of line is this. Everyone answer will be different. Now you can take any of from there by your own choice. And second equation I am taking x minus y. X minus y. Now x minus y, that means 2 minus 14 equal to minus 12. That means how much we have to add there to get 0? I am adding 12 to get 0. So this is the second equation which satisfy the solution 2 and 14. If we put 2 and 14 there, then there will be 2 minus 14 plus 12. That means 12 minus 12 plus 12 equal to 0. That means this equation is also satisfying our answer. Okay, so these are the two equations which are satisfying the solution 2 and 14. Now second part of the question is how many more such lines are there? How many more such lines are there? So we know that from a point there are many lines passes. So we have to write there how many lines passes through this line. Infinite number of, no, because from a point through one point infinite number of lines can pass. Okay, so there are infinite lines of such type passing through the given point. Okay, so there are infinite number of line in point 2 and 14. Suppose in a graph this is the point 2 and 14. Okay, so 2 and in this point 2 and 14 how many line can pass? There is so many line can pass from this point. So we can take there are infinite number of line, because from a point infinite number of line can pass. So there is the question how many more such lines are there. So infinite number of lines are there, and why? Because from a point infinite number of line can pass. Okay, because suppose 2 and 14 is a point, and from this point how many line you can pass through? Infinite. Now that's why the answer is infinite. Now question number third, if the points 3 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y equal to ax plus 7, then find the value of a. We have a equation, given equation is, what is the given equation? 3y equal to ax plus 7. Give it as equation number a, or 1 2 3, whatever you want you can take it. Now if the point 3 and 4 lies on the graph of the equation, that means given point is, and given point is 3 comma 4. So what we have to do, we have to find the value of this a. Now so this 3 represent as x and this 4 represent as y. So put the value of x and y in equation number a. Now putting x equal to 3 and y equal to 4 in where? In equation number a. So what we get? if you putting x equal to 3 and y equal to 4, so there is the 3y, so 3 multiplied by 4 equal to a into x is there na. So value of x is 3, so multiply 3 with them plus 7. Now 3 4s are 12 equal to 3a plus 7. Now 12 minus 7, because 7 is adding that side, then if we transpose it then it will be subtract from 12. Now which is equal to 3a. 12 minus 7 equal to 5, and this is equal to 3a. Now from there we have to find the value of a. So value of a is, if we transpose this 3 that side, then 5 upon 3, because 3 is multiplying there, and if we transpose then it will be divide. So value of a is 5 upon 3. That much for the today. From tomorrow we will do question number 4.